soft washing exterior building facades and K-render cleaning services using a render cleaning machine manufactured by Purple Rhino, who are the UK's leading exterior building cleaning company. Often when cleaning through coloured render in London and other towns and cities within the UK, the wrong type of equipment is used, which are mainly high-powered pressure washers. These can break down the render instead of cleaning it safely. Purple Rhino have developed the UK's best render cleaning machine, which makes soft washing all types of render, including Weber and Monocoust types, much easier and safer. The soft washing render cleaning machine will also clean all types of exterior cladding, especially if it is covered in mould and algae, as well as other types of atmospheric pollutants. Combining the soft washing machine with the very latest environmentally friendly biocides, Purple Rhino can soft wash high level cladding and also rendered surfaces without leaving the ground in many cases. Render is a low maintenance product used to make your building look modern. Having a scheduled render cleaning maintenance plan in place will keep your building's exterior rendered surface looking like new. If you would like a free render sample clean on your building, why not give us a call on 0800 157 7484 or visit our website purple-rhino.co.uk to learn more about what Purple Rhino can do for you and your building.